and reason to come up with this ruling. And basically, in his summary comments, he basically said the Supreme Court's not going to do this. They're not going to strike it down. We're going to leave it up to the American people. So one man decided against the dissenting opinion, against what I thought were his principles in judicial jurisprudence. He decided to leave this up to the American people. So now the stakes of this election could not be higher, George. So yeah, I'm very disappointed, but we're not deterred. We think we can still repeal this law if we win this election. And that's basically what the Chief Justice said. It's now up to the American people. It's beyond Congress, the President, and even the Supreme Court. The American people will be the judge and jury of this law come November.
Governor Romney has said in the past that Chief Justice Roberts is a model for the kind of justice he would appoint to the court. Does that still hold?
Well, I don't agree with his ruling. I agree with the dissenting judges. I think they basically had to rewrite the statute in order to call this a tax. He did have some good principles, which is the Commerce Clause and Necessary and Proper Clause, meaning there is a limit to what Congress can do to affect people's behavior. But if you call it a tax, you can tax anybody to do anything you want from government, apparently. That, to me, is a disturbing ruling. That, to me, is rewriting this law. And that means they just punted it to the American people, and they will have the final say-so this fall. And we will repeal this law if we win this election.